ڈکٹیشن نمبر 29۔ فرینڈ ہم نے آج ان کی ڈکٹیشن نمبر 29 کی کچھ سٹروک بنائی ہیں۔ پہلی ہے کمپنسیشن ساؤتھ وزیرستان ایجنسی، ریکنسٹرکشن، ریہیبلیٹیشن، اسٹیئرنگ، ڈسپروپورشنیٹ، سیویئر، پارشلی، نارتھ وزیرستان ایجنسی، خیبر ایجنسی۔ فرینڈ اب ہم ڈکٹیشن سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں 29 کی۔
The second phase of the payment of compensation for damaged houses in South Waziristan Agency will begin today, Friday, A total of militancy affected families of tribe will be paid cash during the phase The reconstruction and rehabilitation unit of the Civil Secretariat FATA under the federal government funded Citizen Loss Compensation Program had paid compensation money of the families in the first phase An official told Dawn that the steering committee consisting of officials of the relevant departments, army officers and local elders had verified the cases of families for compensation and that they will be paid cash assistance He said families would get cash compensation during a ceremony to be held in area of South Waziristan today, Friday, The disproportionate use of force by security forces against militants in tribal areas, especially South Waziristan Agency, had caused widespread damages to houses, commercial properties and other infrastructure, In addition, weather was another factor that caused severe damage to houses in the last few years, After the completion of military operations, the government announced the payment of compensation for damaged houses, The paying for a fully damaged and for a partially damaged house in the militancy hit tribal area to the affected families, The official said the survey teams had identified around damaged houses in third phase in South Waziristan and that owners would be paid compensation once the government released funds, The survey of damaged houses in areas is likely to be completed in 5 phases, he said, The official said the army units had begun immediate reconstruction of drinking water, health and education facilities in the area, Payment of compensation in North Waziristan Agency is also in progress, around houses damaged in the Darbe-Azab military operation have been surveyed in North Waziristan, The authorities had paid compensation to affected families in North Waziristan so far, while the next phase of payment of compensation will start very soon. The official sources said teams had completed survey of damaged houses in Khyber Agency, 2. Another official said delay in the release of funds from the center had caused delay in payment of compensation to militancy-stricken families. He said the civil secretariat had asked the federal government to release to be paid to the families in Khyber Agency. The official said the survey of damaged houses had been completed in different areas of Khyber Agency. Also, the payment of compensation for damaged houses in agencies hangs in balance. The civil secretariat had released for agencies, respectively, but its payment has yet to begin. Officials said the return to their homes was going on very fast compared to the payment of compensation to the irritation of returnees. The government has already announced the return of all to their homes in FATA by the end of December. According to the FATA Disaster Management Authority, a total of families has gone back to FATA, while the rest will be repatriated by the end of this year. The return of Khyber agencies is near completion, while that of agency is likely to be completed by November 15.
فرینڈ، اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگے تو لائک اور شیئر کریں اور کمنٹ لازمی کیا کریں. اگر کوئی ڈکٹیشن میں کسی قسم کا مسئلہ ہو تو کمنٹ میں بتا دیا کریں. تھینکس فار واچنگ مائی ویڈیو شارٹ ہینڈ ان پاکستان.